So for that you have to open your File Explorer. So as you can see, when I open File Explorer, it opens the quick access menu by default, but I want it to be open this PC. So for that, what you will have to do is open File Explorer, and here you will find a 3-dot option. You have to click on that. Then you have to click on Options. It will show you the folder options. From here you will find an option called Open File Explorer 2. By default it will be selected to quick access. You have to click on that and click on this PC. Then you have to click on Apply and click on OK. So now let's close the File Explorer and reopen it to check if it opens this PC or not. So now you can see, when I opened File Explorer, it opened this PC. So that's how you do it. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.